Explained, Claude AI's role in Codebase Clarity. In this video, we will delve into how Claude AI aids in simplifying complex codebases, enhancing clarity for new developers and boosting team efficiency.
Welcome to today's exploration into the world of code clarity. Did you know that unclear code can cost companies thousands of hours and lost productivity each year? That's where Claude AI comes in, providing unparalleled clarity for developers, old and new. In the next 15 minutes, we'll uncover how Claude AI can transform your approach to managing large codebases. Stay tuned to learn how this AI tool can make a significant impact on your team's efficiency and your own coding skills. Codebases often resemble a tangled web of logic and dependencies, especially in large projects. This complexity can be daunting, particularly for new developers who must navigate this intricate landscape. The challenges include deciphering undocumented code, understanding legacy systems, and integrating new features without breaking existing functionalities. AI tools like Claude are designed to cut through this complexity by offering insights and explanations that simplify these codebases. By highlighting dependencies and logic paths, Claude AI not only aids in understanding but also helps prevent common errors that arise from misinterpretations.
Claude AI leverages advanced natural language processing to break down code into understandable summaries. This AI-driven analysis highlights key components and their roles within the broader system. By mapping dependencies, Claude helps developers see how different parts of the code interact and depend on one another. Real-time feedback is another feature where Claude excels, providing suggestions and explanations as developers write new code. Its seamless integration with popular integrated development environments, IDEs, ensures that developers receive insights without disrupting their workflow, making the coding process smoother and more informed.
One of Claude AI's standout features is its ability to provide step-by-step walkthroughs of code. This feature offers an interactive exploration of code, where developers can follow along as Claude breaks down complex functions and algorithms. Each step is accompanied by detailed explanations that elucidate the logic flow, making it easier to understand intricate processes. With real-world examples, Claude AI demonstrates how theoretical concepts apply in practical scenarios, enhancing comprehension. The user-friendly interface ensures that even those new to programming can follow along without feeling overwhelmed.
Dependencies in code can often lead to errors if not properly managed. Claude AI excels at identifying these dependencies and presenting them in a clear, visual format. By understanding the relationships between different parts of the code, developers can prevent errors that arise from unexpected interactions. Claude provides visual dependency charts that map out how functions, classes, and modules relate to one another. This visualization not only aids in debugging but also in planning new features, ensuring that any changes do not disrupt existing functionality.
Claude AI is adept at simplifying even the most complex code logic. By breaking down intricate algorithms into manageable parts, Claude offers explanations that improve comprehension and understanding. Utilizing AI-driven simplification techniques, it provides analogies and relatable examples that make abstract concepts more tangible. This not only enhances learning but also boosts developers' confidence in their coding abilities. By understanding the logic behind the code, developers can write cleaner, more efficient code that aligns with best practices.
Effective communication is crucial in any development team, and Claude AI plays a significant role in enhancing this aspect. By providing clear code annotations and explanations, Claude helps developers communicate their intent more effectively. This clarity facilitates peer reviews and improves documentation, ensuring that everyone on the team is on the same page. By reducing misunderstandings, Claude AI fosters a more collaborative environment where ideas can be shared and discussed openly, leading to more innovative solutions and faster project completion. Claude AI offers a suite of collaborative features that enhance team productivity and creativity. Real-time code collaboration allows team members to work together seamlessly, sharing insights and suggestions as they arise. Claude's integration with version control systems ensures that changes are tracked and managed efficiently. This integration supports team feedback loops, where developers can provide and receive feedback instantly, leading to a more dynamic and responsive development process. By boosting collective problem-solving capabilities, Claude AI helps teams overcome challenges more effectively and deliver high-quality software solutions.
The impact of Claude AI on team efficiency is profound. By streamlining code understanding and communication, teams experience measurable productivity gains. The reduction in code errors leads to smoother project execution and less time spent on debugging. For new developers, Claude AI significantly shortens the onboarding process, allowing them to contribute more effectively sooner. Enhanced project timelines and increased success rates are direct outcomes of using Claude AI, as teams can deliver projects on time and with higher quality. Claude AI not only improves individual performance but also elevates the overall efficiency of development teams. As we wrap up our deep dive into Claude AI's role in Codebase Clarity, we hope you've gained valuable insights into how this tool can transform your coding practices. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, Claude AI offers features that enhance understanding and efficiency. We invite you to explore Claude further and share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and hit the bell icon to be notified of our latest uploads. Your feedback is invaluable as we continue to explore the intersection of AI and coding.